Hey,
Hi.
streamer.
हेलो माय ब्रदर, रुको रुको।
Are you
गले में
streaming?
थोड़े
Are
वो।
you streaming?
हाँ, नो नो, नॉट स्ट्रीमिंग।
Nah,
आई
why
आई
stream? Why not streaming? You should stream. You have got a setup.
आई हैव नॉट इंटरनेट कनेक्शन।
And then how are you talking with me?
फोन सिम।
You don't have Wi-Fi.
ना, नॉट वाईफाई। आई लिव इन विलेज।
Where? Which place?
बिहार।
It says West Bengal.
इट इज रॉन्ग रॉन्ग।
You're from Bihar. Okay, so you
तो
speak
यू आर स्ट्रीमिंग?
you speak
यू आर
Bihar.
गेमर?
You speak Bihari.
का हो मर दिया का हलवा?
Okay, Litti Chokha.
हाय लिट्टी चोखा।
Yeah,
जे ना पहिलंच लिट्टी चोखा।
yeah. So what's the mic for? I also have a mic. What's the mic for?
अरे भाई हिंदी में बात करो ना यार।
My Hindi is too bad.
अरे भाई बतियाओ यार।
You can speak good English. You can understand me.
घंटा इंग्लिश, हमको इंग्लिश नहीं आता, टूटा फूटा इंग्लिश आता है। वो कभी कभी हो जाता है इधर उधर।
So, you practice English with me.
ओके ओके, आई विल ट्राई। ओके।
So, like, what's the mic for?
फॉर मीन्स?
Like, there must be a purpose to have that mic. Yeah.
आई लव दिस माइक बिकॉज आई पता ना, मुझे बोलना अच्छा लगता है तो इसीलिए माइक ले लिया बस।
Mm-hmm. Same here. Same here. How much does it cost?
इट्स कॉस्ट 1500।
Okay, this one costs 2500,
ओ माय गॉड।
and it doesn't have lights. So maybe you got a better deal.
इट्स अ दिवाली ऑफर।
Which company is it?
आई नॉट कंपनी ब्रांड।
Okay, it's
इट्स प्लेन। ये सादा है बस।
so you are using this mic, but you also
हाँ।
have this mic,
इट इज नॉट वर्किंग।
but you cannot pull it up, like pull it up. Yeah, yeah.
ना, इट इज बैड। इधर यही सही है।
The looks.
नहीं, नॉट लुक, इट्स फील लाइक जेट। मतलब बैठ अंग्रेजी घंटा
Okay,
अंग्रेजी
okay.
भाई, हिंदी में बात करो यार।
How
तुम
old?
स्ट्रीम कर रहे हो, मैं जानता हूँ, मुझे को पता है, मैं तुम्हें जानता हूँ। यू आर वेरी फेमस पर्सन इन दिस प्लेनेट।
In this planet? No, okay. So like, how old are you?
गेस।
18,
नॉट 18।
17,
अप नॉट लो।
20,
अप
up, 23,
अप
25.
यस।
Okay. I'm also 25, but maybe I'm looking older than that because
नहीं,
I
आई
have short hair.
शेप को क्या बोलते हैं यार?
Yeah,
क्लीन शेप।
clean
क्लीन
shave.
शेप क्लीन शेप।
What makes you think I'm a streamer?
आप सामने देख रहे हो, एक इधर डिस्प्ले और एक इधर डिस्प्ले। आप उधर देख रहे हो ऊपर।
No, it's just you were there on the right side of my screen and me on the left side of my screen. And camera is over there.
हाँ, आपके पास दो स्क्रीन है।
No, it's the same screen.
बिग स्क्रीन, बिग।
Yeah, it's computer. That's why.
हाउ मच प्राइस खरीदना? हाउ मच प्राइस?
I purchased it in 2020. Then it cost me 60,000. So, like, how are you using this? You have connected this mic with your phone.
नो नो नो, आई हैव लैपटॉप।
Okay.
इट इज वेरी ओल्ड। पुराना, हाँ ओल्ड।
Old laptop. So, like, how are you running internet? Like, phone hotspot, laptop Wi-Fi.
हाँ, इट्स अ हॉटस्टॉप।
Okay, but you better take a Wi-Fi connection.
ना, ये विलेज का बोलता है। मेरा यहाँ वाईफाई कनेक्शन नहीं है यार।
Geo fiber, Geo wireless. So many options are available.
वेरी एक्सपेंसिव।
Expensive. Yeah, you should move to a city so that you can get Wi-Fi.
समझ में नहीं आया लेकिन आज सुनने में अच्छा लगा।
Okay, okay. You,
कैसे कोई अंग्रेजी में बतिया लेता है यार।
I was not good in English 5 years ago, but I kept practicing.
ओह
And
प्रैक्टिस।
Omegle is the main reason why my English is good.
अच्छा और बताइए क्या करते हैं आप लाइफ में?
Editor.
एडिटर? यू टीच मी।
Did you what? Editing.
हाँ
You need a software. You have got the laptop, so you can start.
हाँ चल जाएगा, i3 प्रोसेसर है, चल
Yeah.
जाएगा।
Use the Filmora. Filmora will work. I also will use Filmora.
हाउ मच यू अर्न मनी
Pretty good. 30.
मंथ
Yeah.
डे?
Not a month. Not that much. Because I don't do that many editing. I mean, yeah.
एडिटिंग के अलावा क्या करते हो?
Editing के अलावा I don't know. Just editing.
ओनली एडिटिंग?
Only
जॉब
editing.
वगैरह कुछ?
That's my job. Oh, what do you do?
नथिंग।
Not anything. Nothing.
कुछ नहीं करता, बस ऐसे ही सोते रहो, खाते रहो, पीते रहो, मस्त
Nah, you gotta support your family.
रहो। हाँ सपोर्ट, वेरी सपोर्ट,
Yeah, you need to support.
वेरी सपोर्ट,
You need to support your family, parents, and
यू आर स्ट्रीमिंग?
I said you know. I told you no.
यू आर लाइंग? झूठ बोल रहे हो? हाँ मजाक कर रहे हो।
No. Why? If I was streaming, I would have told you I was streaming.
You have a chair, very good.
So what?
Your background is so good.
Oh God, so hot.
You are, तुम उधर देख रहे हो बार बार इधर।
No, there is nobody over there.
नहीं डिस्प्ले चैटिंग चैट।
Like, why didn't you sleep?
मतलब कहना क्या चाहते हो?
Sleep? No sleep? 3 in the morning, 3 a.m. No sleep?
हाँ सोता हूँ ना, सोता हूँ।
Okay.
बिना सोए कोई कैसे जग सकता है?
When do you sleep?
पता नहीं क्या बोल रहे हो।
Okay. Alright, Vishal.
हाँ विशा।
Did you find any girls on this app?
एक रसियन मिली थी।
So are you finding like only Indians or foreigners too? What's the ratio?
मैं किसको ढूंढ रहा हूँ?
No. Like if you are just going through the app, which people are coming more, Indians or foreigners? What's the ratio, proportion?
इंडियंस।
What's the ratio? 90 Indians, 10 foreigners, 80 Indians, 20 foreigners.
95% इंडियन।
Okay. That's why I have taken the subscription.
You have subscription?
Yes, but right now I'm not using the subscription.
Why?
Because there is a limit. I mean, I don't know. I was talking with some girls, and so I thought let's change it a little bit. So, but it's not very expensive. You can also take the subscription. It's
very expensive. 700 का है एक हफ्ते का।
no, it's 1,000 in a month.
हाँ तो इतना पैसा मेरे पास तो है नहीं।
No, you can use your. You can.
You give me money. Will I talk some more girls right now?
Okay.
We are joking, bro. We are joking.
Okay, I'll give you some money. Do you have a QR code?
I have my account balance is 2 rupees.
I'll give you some money. Do you have
show you. I will show you my account balance. I 4 महीने से 2 रुपए है मेरे अकाउंट में। I will show you. Just a second. My bank balance. There are 2 rupees only.
Okay, it's not visible. I think you need to start doing some work. What do you think?
क्या करूं मैं? टिप्स दीजिए थोड़ा.
You can do like many things.
क्या what?
Like you need to see what skills you have got, and on that basis, if you need some money, I can send you.
समझ में नहीं आया क्या बोलो.
If you need some money, I can send you. Like not a big amount, but a little bit of help.
मेरी मदद क्यों करना चाहते हो भाई?
You seem like a nice person, and I think I would do punya. It would be virtuous to help somebody.
अच्छा पुण्य.
Punya.
यू humble person.
Yeah. So like, but you don't like taking money from other people.
समझ में नहीं आया ये भी.
Okay, okay.
समझ में नहीं आ रहा. इतने अंग्रेजी नहीं आती है.
So-
थोड़ी थोड़ी आती है. My schooling in UP board.
Okay, I also studied in a Bengali medium school, but that's no excuse.
नहीं नहीं बट बिहार में उतना अंग्रेजी नहीं ना चलता यार.
So what's the main language in Bihar? Bihari.
नहीं नहीं मिक्स हिंदी बिहारी मिक्स.
Okay, okay.
तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम.
You're 25. You looked younger. Like
21.
yeah, 21. Cannot be 25. I started doing Omegle since when I was 20.
20.
So did you do Omegle?
No.
No. So how long have you been using this app for?
30 minutes ago. एगो बोलते हैं ना उसको.
Yeah, 30 minutes. So this is your first time?
हाँ फर्स्ट टाइम.
Okay.
तुम्हारा पहला तो क्या बोलते हैं यार.
No, I am using it for half a year.
ओह.
Yeah, I used to use Omegle before, then Omegle got banned. No, I am using this for not half a year. I mean using it for few years. Before this.
वैसे आपकी इंग्लिश बहुत अच्छी है. बहुत अच्छी. बहुत अच्छी.
Thank you.
अब आप हो कहाँ से वैसे?
West Bengal.
अच्छा वेस्ट बंगाल. बढ़िया है मस्त रही है.
But generally Bengali people don't speak this good English.
ये भी समझ नहीं आया ऊपर से गया.
Generally Bengali people are not good with English.
अच्छा.
Generally, like if you
Journally.
like so what are your goals? You have to do something, right? You cannot always depend on your parents.
आप ही बताइए क्या करूं मैं. सजेशन.
You have to look in yourself. You know yourself better than I do.
मुझ में क्या है? मैं क्या करूं?
Like you don't do you have some degrees or anything?
नो डिग्री. नो डिग्री.
You didn't go to the college.
ना मैं कभी कॉलेज गया ही नहीं.
Did you do 12th?
12 पास हो गया. 2 साल हो गए.
Arts.
हाँ आर्ट.
You can like apply on this Work India platform, but some scam happened with my friend with Work India. They said they are calling from a bank and need 13,000 rupees for your admission, and my friend gave them the money, but it turned out a scam, so you have to be careful.
आपका पैसा नहीं ना फंसा?
Not mine, I'm not that stupid, but
Oh.
my friend. Okay,
सही है. आपकी
because
शादी हो गई? अरे 30,000 महीने कमा रहे हो भाई, शादी कर लो यार।
Yeah, why not? Why not?
बच्चे तो हो गए होंगे अभी तक।
Yeah, if I married, then I would have become.
हम्म?
If I married, then I would have become a dad by now.
समझ में नहीं आया, ये भी ऊपर से गया।
Okay. But this platform is good. Work India.
ओ,
And this platform, like for job hunting, you can get some jobs by this platform, Work India, or like LinkedIn. You might have heard of LinkedIn.
अरे मेरे को तो कुछ आता ही नहीं, मैं क्या करूँगा।
No, there are lots of, like 12th pass qualification is a big qualification.
बिग?
Yeah. Not many people have.
क्या बात कर रहे
Yeah. I mean, but it's important. You can do lots of things, like lots of. You can get into like delivery, or uh, like if you don't want to do delivery, then you can work in an office. You can start like a clerk, then you can get some promotion. So you should never think you are not worthwhile.
क्या बात बोली है, सीधे दिल पे लग गई।
Yeah. But yeah, okay, Vishal, do you have any questions for me?
हम्म, you are recording?
No.
Give me answer.
No, I said no.
सही है।
Did you want me to record?
No.
Okay. I gotta go, but let me ask you this: did you watch Ahat, the
क्या?
horror show? Do you believe in ghosts?
ये कैसा सवाल है?
ठीक ठाक ही सवाल है. Do you believe in ghosts?
बहुत ही पेचीदा सवाल है।
Do you know what ghosts are? The concept.
कभी सुना नहीं इस बारे में।
Ghost meaning bhoot.
तो भूत,
Okay.
तो भूत के बारे में बात हो रहा है, मजे में नहीं आता है भूत। हाँ।
Okay, bro. I would tell you that learn English. It will help you. Okay. So
Recording.
yeah, just talk with people in English. You don't have to study any books like right now to improve your English. Just read, just talk in English and watch movies in English, Hollywood movies. Watch Friends. Okay.
Okay.
Game of Thrones. You might have heard of these shows.
गेम ऑफ थ्रोन, ये कौन सा मूवी है?
It's a show. It's a show.
सो
TV show, serial.
अरे सीरियल बहुत घंटे का होता है।
It's a, like, you will get the habit of English listening. You will understand a lot of things.
हिंदी में है कब वो?
Then what's the point of watching it? To improve English, you need to watch in English.
एक बात बताइए, हम इंग्लिश क्यों सीखें?
It's important. Like, you want to talk with foreigners, don't you want to?
हमारे यहाँ कौन अंग्रेज आता है यार?
Like on this app or different apps, you can find foreigners.
मैं अंग्रेजों को क्यों ढूंढूंगा और क्यों उनसे बातें करूंगा?
You need to know about the world to grow more.
अच्छा,
Okay. You seem interesting, but I gotta go. It's very late. Okay.
ओके,
Bye. Vishal.
बाय।